In order to understand the algorithm, consider two persons, Aftab and Ahmed. They are playing a game. In that game, there are two piles consisting of 10 blocks each. In every turn, one player can take one block from one pile or two piles from each of the two piles. So that the blocks that are taken away in the game, they are removed from the game, and the person who takes the last block from the piles wins the game. So every time Ahmed take the first turn. So after playing so many games, Aftab realizes that every time when he takes the second turn, he always wins. So he tried to analyze the pattern of the game. So he first tried to solve the problem, and in this case there are 10 piles of 2 piles of 10 blocks, so it means it is 10 plus 10 game. So it is very difficult for him to find some solution. So he take the technique of reductionation technique. He used 2 plus 2 game. So in this 2 plus 2 game, he tried to come up with the recipe in which every time he wins. So in this we can see here that he takes the recipe of 2 plus 2, and when he tried to analyze this in this game, if Aftab takes one block from each pile, Aftab will take the remaining rocks and win. If Aftab takes one block, Aftab will take one block from the same pile. As a result, there will be only one pile and it will have two blocks in it. So Ahmed's only choice will be to take one of them. Aftab will take the remaining blocks to win the game. So inspired by this theory, Aftab tried to again analyze this, and he tried to fix this problem. And because this is a theoretical solution he has given, so he tried, and every theoretical solution, it must be verified by some experimentation or practical. To verify this, he again played so many games with the Ahmed, but every time he does not win. Sometimes Aftab wins and sometimes Ahmed wins. So again he tried to find the recipe of some higher order game. So he tried to find the recipe of 3 plus 3. So when he tried to find the solution of 3 plus 3, he came with many difficulties, because 3 plus 3 game involves so many steps. So if he has problem in 3 plus 3, so how difficult it is to find the solution of 10 plus 10. So it is very difficult for him to find the solution of 10 plus 10, or even bigger than that. So meanwhile, Ahmed quickly realized that he will always lose the 2 plus 2 game, but he does not lose hope to find the winning strategy for 3 plus 3 game. Instead, he began drawing a table. This is the table, and this table is filled with the symbols, different symbols. We can see arrowhead up, left arrow, tilt arrow, and asterisk. The entry in the position I and J. So I is the rows and J's are the columns. With I and J, blocks in the pile A and B. So this is A and B. So A indicate that this means that if there is an arrow in this direction, so it means that he should take one stone from pile B, and if there is symbol like this, it means that he should take one block from pile A, from pile B and from pile A. A tilt arrow means that he will take one block each from pile A and pile B, and static indicates that he may take any step. For example, he is faced with 3 plus 3 problem. Here we can see 3 plus 3 problem. Here 1, 2, 3, and here is 1, 2, 3. He finds this one in 3 plus 3, a tilt arrow in the third row and third column, indicating that he should take a block from each pile, because here we see that it means that he will take block from each pile. This makes Aftab take the first move in a 2 plus 2. Then he goes to 2 plus 2, which is marked with pile B. 2 plus 2 is this, pile B, this symbol. It means that he can take any move. No matter he does any move, Ahmed wins. Suppose Aftab take a block from pile B. This leads to 2 plus 1. This is 2 plus 1. Ahmed again consults the table by reading entry 2, 1, seeing that he should also take the rock from pile B, because this is, and he should take from pile B, leaving 2 rocks in A. However, if Ahmed had instead take a block from pile A, Ahmed will consult 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is this one. So it means that he will take from pile A again. He again should also take rock from pile A, leaving 2 blocks in pile B. Impressed by the table, Ahmed learns how to use it to win 10 plus 10. This is 10 plus 10 game. However, Aftab does not know how to construct a similar table for 20 plus 20. So we have seen that Aftab can solve the problem of 10 plus 10 game, but he is unable to solve the problem of 20 plus 20. So what are the reasons he cannot find the solution of 20 plus 20? So there are two main reasons. One is he has no knowledge of the algorithms, and second is if he know the knowledge of algorithm, he can solve 20 plus 20 also. And second is that if he want to win the game, he has to memorize the table of 10 plus 10. So the problem is, if I ask the question to the biology student, so what would you do in this scenario? The possible answer is that the bio student will ask, I have nothing to do with this game. But the problem is that there is a hidden algorithm related to the sequence alignment in this game. The sequence alignment algorithm and this block game has the same solution in the computer science. The computer idea to solve the 10 plus 10 game and the sequence alignment is same. So the problem is that most of the biologists that have been working in bioinformatics, they use the bioinformatics tool without knowing what is going behind the algorithm. So same is the problem with the computer scientists. When they do some experimentation, they just follow the protocols. So the solution is that the students of biology must know how these algorithms work.